There was a fight to the death going on by the babies, but they're all done. They're hiding, except the ones over here sitting under me. Ooh. Uh-oh. Hey, guys, come on, get out of there. You can't go in there, so stop trying. I'm just sitting on the edge of their box, and they want to go in it, because they're out of it, and when they're in it, they want to get out of it. Helen. That's Helen. Ugh. Stop chewing on my shoe. Jean is chewing on my shoe. Helen. Look at you wagging your little tail. They're all tired out. They've only been out for 5 minutes. And they're pooped. Oh, it's Charlie chewing on my shoe. Because that one's Jean. That one's Charlie. Helen. Albert. Martha and Juno. Right, Martha? Oh, Martha! Helen barking at me. Someone chewing on my shoes. Stop it! Both of you. Stop! Uh-oh. What's going on around the corner, guys? Get out of here. It's like a puppy herd. It's like a puppy herd. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What are they doing over there? Hey, gooses. Puppy gooses. Come here. Good puppies. One more. Come on. There we go. Oh. Oh. Oh, they're having a lot of fun terrorizing everything and chewing on my fingers. Ripping up papers. Hiding around the corner. Oh, they're adorable. Even when they chew on my sneakers. Even when they chew on my sneakers. Some action going on between Martha and... Oh, that's great. They're chewing on a cord. Okay. Okay. Let's get out of behind the bed. Come on. Okay. Now let's go fix the cord problem. Do not chew on cords. Not good for little puppies of any age. Let's come over here. Come on. It's chasing me down. Ah! Gosh. Hi, Char. Gene is either crazy or sitting down. He's never in between. Oh, stop going back there! Oh, God, minor issue right here. Hold on. Okay. There. Alright, I gotta show it to you. There's a bed next to the box, and I have a little gate, but it's not helping, because they go in there, and then you can't get them out. So I'm trying to sit here and block it, but I'm not doing a very good job. And they go in their box, and it has a little bed, orange of course, but they want out always, and usually they go outside. It was raining, but now look at it. It's all bright. I think I'll put them outside. Oh yeah, the camera took like forever to show how bright it was. I guess we'll go outside.